Alright guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and for the PDPR today, I would like to teach about modules 1 form 4. Our topic today is let's chat, right? Okay, and then our lesson 1 today is I want to talk about reading, right? Our skills today about reading. And then cross-curricular element here is information and communication technology. And as you know, our team today is science and technology. Alright. Our objective today is I want my students to explain the main point in the standard extended text on a wide range of familiar topic. Alright, here means that from the reading, the objective today, I hope that my students can explain about the topic today, uh, about the technology, right? Let's restart. Right, guys. Modules 1, let's chat. Right, we discuss two questions here for our first free lesson. All right, how do you usually communicate with your friends? All right, usually here means that seberapa kerap Anda berkomunikasi dengan rakan. For example, we have a lot of communication tools right now, and also communication application. We have the most popular ones nowadays. We have WhatsApp, we have uh, Telegram, right? We have what we call as maybe we can have a lot of day, right? We continue. Let we continue, right? Look at the pictures below. Which of the means of communication do you prefer using and why? Use the ideas in the box. Alright? This one is want you to give a reason. For example, why you use emails. Alright? Why we send emails. Maybe we send emails as a letter to tell about something. Make a phone call if you have an important with our friends, teacher, or parents. Maybe we can communicate with them. We make a phone call, right? 019-931, all right? And talk to them, all right? Video calling, all right? Video calling, you can see your friend face, right? Video calling. Maybe if because nowadays we know because of the COVID-19, right? We can use a video calling to us to see your parents' face, right? Your friend face, right? That is video calling. All right, you send videos, right? Maybe because nowadays we have study from home. Maybe you can share the videos with your friends about something that can give benefit to you, and then maybe you can send pictures, MMS, right? And then instant messaging, right? Instant messaging or chatting, because we know nowadays we use WhatsApp especially. Okay, maybe you can see that instant message, right? And then we have access to the internet. All right, nowadays we also can communicate, because I know from my students, they play games, and then they will communicate with your friends during their play the games, right? Okay, we access to the internet, especially we want to browse the Google. Okay, browse the Google, and we can send text messages or SMS. As we talk about technology in education, because it is enables children to adjust to their own pace of learning, because nowadays students need to use a technology as a tools, as a not use a technology, right? For example, your handphone as a tool for your study. Students who need extra time can spend more time going over exercises until they understand, right? Because nowadays we use the technology, we can find out a lot of questions and answer in the Googles, right? And then while students who need less support can continue ahead, all right? Because nowadays, because of the PDPR lesson or the study from home, some of the teachers, for example, me, right? I cannot give a lot of attention actually because I don't know that whether my students understand or not. If they message to me personally, maybe I know that what kind of the question they want to ask. All right, but if we have a technology, we can browse using Google. Can find out a lot of information and answer for our questions. All right. We can also use technology nowadays to communicate with our friends, right? It is also frees up the teachers to help kids who need more support on an individual level. Maybe for this kind of the explanation, I can say that students, if they have a problem, they can message their teacher and then ask a questions. Maybe the teacher can help to settle down their pro- problem or what they did not understand. Alright, let's we go for the exercise 1A. Read here. This one is about the reading. Alright. What do you know about social networking sites? Alright. Are you a member of a social networking site? What do you use it for? And then the big questions here. Read the text A to D. What is each person's opinion about social networking site? It is positive, negative, or both. All right, this is a text that you need to read. All right, you read this one first. Okay, maybe for you can pause the video. Right, you can read the text first. There are 4 people here, but we discuss a little bit about social networking site first. Right. Okay, what do you know about social networking site? That is question number 1. Question number 2, are you a member of social networking site? Of course, nowadays, yes, we can say yes, right? And then we can discuss a questions B on page 8. Okay, look at your page 8 after this. All right, now let's discuss a little bit about what is social networking. Social networking is an online platform. This one is online platform. Maksudnya online ni ialah kita dalam orang kata alam maya. Alright, which people use to build social networks or with other people. Connection, maksudnya berhubung antara sama lain. Who share similar personal or career interests. Right, nowadays we know that I do this YouTube for my students. Right, talk about what is social networking. That is, we can say that this is a connection between me and my student and I. Sorry, my students and I. Right? Interest, activities, background, or real life connection. Social networking services vary in format and the number of features. We know that this one we have if we use technology. Social networking. Social networking here we have a lot of features. Alright guys, now we go through to the question page 8. Alright, question B here. Read the text A to D. What is each person's opinion about social networking site? It is positive, negative, or both. Alright, now let's discuss about your opinion. Social networking site. According to the text A to D, alright, maybe you can analyze which one is positive, which one is negative. Alright, positive here means that benefit, you get a benefit or advantage. Okay, positive ni maksudnya ialah kita mendapat kelebihan. Right, negative here disadvantage. Right, disadvantage. Disadvantage, we talk about disadvantage. Right, keburukannya apa? Right, about the technology ataupun about the social networking side. Alright, my students, I hope that you will finish this one, and please write your answer in the exercise book, or you can write the answer in the comment in this video. Maybe after this I will check, and then for the other students, if you would like to join me in this lesson, you also can give your own answer, and I will check whether your answer is accepted or not according to the questions given. Right? We have several questions here. Maybe you can try to write it right in the comment or your exercise book, and you can show to me, and I will check it for you. Right? And as a conclusion, our topic today is about social networking, actually. Right? We have a lot of social networking sites that we use in our daily life activities. Right? Nowadays, we have, for example, we have a lot. I forgot the most popular one. Nowadays, we have a Facebook, WhatsApp, WeChat, TikTok, right? Instagram, Tumblr, Twitter, and the most popular one, Google. All right, Google, we have a lot of Google Form, right? Google Drive for everything that we can use for education. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you can listen. If you have any question, right, don't forget to drop your comment and I will respond for your comment or question, or for your answer that you type or you write for the questions number, not number actually, this is alphabet B, and then page 8. Don't forget to finish it. Right, see you in the next lesson. Thank you for listening. And as usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. That's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.